Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my January 2018 Ipsy bag. Yes, 2018. Now, of course, I'm going to try on each item and tell you my thoughts and opinions on them. So without further ado, let's get right into my Ipsy bag. Okay, Ipsy, this bag is giving me summer vibes, like 1990. Old school. I'm loving it. I want summer now. I love the colors. Oh my god, neon. It's beautiful bag. Great job, Ipsy. I'm liking the bag. So the first item in the bag is this right here. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. Okay. Stay Put Brow Gel. Let's get this off. Take this plastic off first. Twist in. Okay, I have to open this. Oh, this is so cute. So this right here comes apart and the brush is here. That's adorable. Dipping it in. Let's see how this works. This right here is good to bring with you. Like say you're out almost all day, you know how after a while your brows, like anything, start to disappear a little bit. This would be a great touch up. This is good for applying on top of your brow hairs, not good for like filling it in, like drawing your brows the shape you want it. So no, great to fill in. Okay, next item is this right here. This is Ciate London Fierce Flicks. This is, oh, it's a pen, a liquid eyeliner pen. So I did a little to my eyes, nothing crazy. Now I'm going to go in with the Ciate London Fierce Flicks. I'm just going to do a simple wing, nothing crazy. This Ciate Fierce Flicks, no, I don't like it to do eyeliner. I had trouble doing it, like extremely. It was a pain. I feel like this is only good when you have like another tool to outline. This is great to fill in since it's like a marker. Honestly, I kind of had trouble with a lot of markers because the ink doesn't go all the way to the tip, so it kind of gets annoying. And I literally have eyeliner all over my like hand and everything. This, I was applying it on here because I was like, is it working? And it was working here, but once I applied it to my lid, it was trouble. So to do eyeliner by itself, no, just great to fill in. Other than that, no. Next, it's the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. It's for a smooth, soft, clean start. Alright, I am not going to be able to use this right now. It removes makeup. Let's see. I'm just going to put a little bit. I'm not going to apply this on my face, but I'm going to, since it says it takes out makeup, I'm going to see if it takes this out. Or not. You know how sometimes it reacts because of the water? So I have my water bottle right here. I'm going to apply on my fingers. Now it's getting busy. Okay. Ooh, it feels nice on the skin. Ooh. Okay, now it took everything, all the makeup. Oh my god, it feels so good on my hand. The first time I put it, I did it with no water, and it felt like I was tugging on it. But then once I applied a little bit of water, it just went on so smoothly. And it did take off the eyeliner. So next is this little tube right here. The company's name, Pūrlisse. I don't want to butcher the name, so yeah. It says that it's a blue lotus seed mud mask plus exfoliate. Gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, smooths. 10-minute facial, all types, sensitive. Okay, it has like little grains. Blue lotus extract is a powerful antioxidant. White clay purifies pores. Bamboo gently exfoliates. Ginger detoxifies. Mushroom brightens skin. White tea soothes skin. Rice bran water promotes clarity. Start with thin skin. Apply a thin layer to face, neck, and chest. Set and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask with water in gently circular motions. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Applying some water. Take this out. Ooh, this feels good. And you do it in circular motions. Oh god, this feels so good. I cannot wait to use this on my face. Last item in the bag. It's from City Color. Contour palette from City Color. This is how it looks. So this is a highlight, bronzer, contour. This is the contour part. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna bring it out because this is the contour. And now I'm gonna use the middle to bronze up. This is good. This is also cruelty free, so that's a plus. But from all three, the highlight I'm liking a lot. I wanna try these two a little bit more. They're nice. I just want to try it out more, you know. I gotta try this out more. But the highlight from this right here, it's good. I like it. So I am done with my Ipsy bag. The only thing I'm not feeling is this Ciate Fierce Flick eyeliner. This is not great to do wing at all. But if you need something to like fill out your wing, you know, this would be good to fill it out. I did not use these two, but I used it on my hand and it felt great. But I'm going to use this on my face. So I will leave my thoughts in the description below. So check out for that. And that's a wrap. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. And if it was, please give my video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Any comments or thoughts, just comment below. And I will write back to you. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching again. Bye. Oh my god. This is good to go. What? But why not? It gently remove. What the fuck? If it what the freak?